Hello, Sarah here. Are you looking to make a countdown timer? If you are, let's get started. Once you're in canva.com here, come here to custom size and then here type in 1140 and here 400 and then create new design. Now once we are here, let's change our timer. Let's change our timer to 1 second. Good. Now let's go to text and let's pick this heading. And I'm gonna change the size, the font size to 30. Let's just move it up. And let's type here cells end in, and then let's come here to elements and let's pick the free element. Let's resize it. I'm going to change the color of this element, and now let's just make some copies. We need 4 of them. Now we have 4. Let's make sure they are on a straight line. And let's highlight all of them and come here to position and tidy up. That way now we have the same distance between them. And let's go back to text again and tag that. Okay, let's change this text size to, I'm gonna change this one to 20. The font size to 20. Let's type days. And let's duplicate this. Copy. Just gonna paste it several times. Okay, now let's just put this one here. I just want the same font, so yeah. Then we can type whatever we want to type in the boxes. Okay, let's start from here. We are going to type here hour. And then we're gonna type here hours. And then we're gonna type here minutes. And then here we're going to type seconds. And then in here, I'm just going to increase this size a little. And here I'm going to type 05, 03, 01, and 05. Now I'm going to copy this one here and bring it down here and type in it all items 30% off. All items 30% off. Let's come here to style and let's change the color. Let's come to color here and see what color we like. I'm going to go with that color. And let's come here to the font. We can pick a combination of font that we like. I'm going to take this one. I like this. Now that we have that in place, now let's duplicate the page. And we are in page 2. Now let's change this to 4. Duplicate the page again. Change this to 3. And go through the process of just duplicating and go through the process of duplicating it and changing the numbers. One, zero, and let's change this one to 0 too. Let's change this one to 0. So I'll have 0, 0. Let's keep on duplicating the pages. And now this one is 59. Duplicate that. $58. And you'll keep on duplicating until you get your timer done, until you complete your timer. I'm going to stop at 6, but you get the idea. That's just the process that you have to go through to duplicate it. Now that we have done that, now let's preview our timer and see if it works. But there's no preview button here, so what we need to do is come here to videos and just pick any video. But first let's add a blank canvas, and then come here to video and pick. This one is pro, but you can get videos that are free. You can scroll down and get any video that is free. You can even get that. We just want a video so we can be able to get the button to preview our work. So yeah. But when you're going to download, you can just delete this page out. This is just to help us get this button here. Now let's preview our work. Yeah, and that's how you make your countdown with all the free version of Canva. Now, I'm going to show you how to make it with some few features that you'll find in the paid version of Canva. Before we do that, we can come here and download our work. But before you download it, you can delete the part you don't need. This one, the video part, you can just delete that one, and then you can download your work. Yeah, you need to download it as a MP4 or GIF. Now work is downloading. When you go to your download, you should be able to find your animated timer. We are going to create one with some animation elements that are found in the paid version, the pro elements. If you have the free, you can use the first method, and if you have the paid version and you like the one with the paid stuff in it, you can do that. Okay, let's just delete these ones out so we can do. Okay, now we are back to our first one, and our animation is already set at 1 second, which is what we want. What we want to do is we want to change our animation. So I'm going to click that and come here to animate. I want to animate the text here only. So let's come down here to the pop, which is a pro version one. You can see it has the pro sign in it. But if you have the pre version and you want to use some of these animations, you can use the free ones too here. But let's use this pro element. And now that we have that, let's just start duplicating it again. And go through the same process we went through when we were doing the first one. That's going to be 4. Duplicate the 4 and make 3. Two. 1. 0. And this one is going to go down to 0, 0. Let's duplicate that. And this one is going to go to 59. And duplicate 59. So we can go down to 58. Duplicate 58. Let's go down to 57. And on until you get your timer completed. But in this tutorial, I'm just gonna stop at 56. You get the point. You can just continue going down and down until you get to where you're going. Now let's preview our work. Just click play here. There we go. That's how it will look. And once you finish making your timer, all you need to do is download it, and make sure you're downloading it as MP4 or a GIF. It depends on what you're going to do with it. So let's download ours as MP4. And yeah, we are done, and that's how easy it is to make your timer in Canva. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.